guess what? In a lot of homeschool curriculum, it has it all planned out for you.
Yes.
It says on Monday or first whatever day, you know, this. You need to cover all this material on this day. This day you cover this material. So if you need that help, use that kind of curriculum.
That's a very good point, because that's one thing less that you have to do then if you don't like planning.
Exactly. Now, I thrived on it. So if I had something, I'd break that book open and it had X amount of chapters or whatever. And I told you I was bad at math. I might not be as bad as I thought I was.
There's different kinds of math.
Yeah.
So
so I would divide it by however many weeks that I needed to get that accomplished, whether it was the semester or the whole year or whatever, and I'd figure out how much we had to cover.
Right.
That amount of time. And that's how I planned it out. But that worked for me. But for some people, they need that teacher guide that tells them, you know, this day do this day do this, and do that. Get that. If that's what works for you.
Yeah.
Get that, because I
love that.
When it says it's no prep, already planned out for you, and you need that, go for it.
Yep.
That's
if
what
you're
you
a
need.
person that loves to plan and you don't want anyone to tell you what to do, don't buy it.
I only ever bought the teacher guide. I'm just going to be really honest. I just didn't feel a need for that. Not always, but most of the time. I didn't need them to tell me what to teach when, let's put it that way, or what to assign or whatever. But that's because I like it.
Right. Yes, and that's a very good point.
Right.
Because some people don't.
They don't.
That's just fine if you are that way. It doesn't make you a bad homeschool mom.
No, not at all. No, we're all different.